her intro is just the fastest lady rider in the Philippines. Look at her. Does she look like the fastest lady rider?
Yes, definitely.
How did you get into racing?
Family. Because my dad was a racer. My brother was a racer. Actually, title ni Kuya Micah when he was living was the fastest man on two wheels in the Philippines.
And you're the fastest woman.
Yes.
What is your end goal? And where do you see yourself after racing?
End goal ko ngayon, before I retire someday, is to influence, to make an industry na kung saan hindi na kami yung minority, na where we have our own community. The Filipino racers na babae. Hindi lang yung, ito yung mga racers natin. Ito yung mga lady rider, no.
Women empowerment.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
At least ngayon makuha ko na tama yung intro
Yung
mo.
intro, tama naman
Fastest
siya.
lady rider in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, Jack Buncho. Clap! Clap!
Applause.
I'm sorry, now we're hyped up. And now we're pissed. Now, this has never happened. We were talking for a while now, for those who don't know.
40 minutes?
20?
20 lang naman.
20.
So, a podcast usually lasts 40 minutes. So,
Okay.
I owe you guys another 20, for 20 minutes of your lives.
Okay lang.
I apologize.
No.
I apologize, but we were having fun and we can repeat all the questions we asked.
Ay, oo
Let's
naman.
repeat it.
I'm sorry. Now, this will come out less natural.
Yung less natural, medyo synthetic na siya.
Less natural, guys. So, again, like I said, ang dami ng trophies, awards. Therefore, her intro is just the fastest lady rider in the Philippines. Look at her. Does she look like the fastest lady rider?
Yes, definitely.
Hindi. Honestly, hindi.
Possibly.
Of course,
Pwede na.
fastest.
And by the way, this is my new co-host. This is Ron. He lost a lot of the weight.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. This is Jet, my cousin. I repeated the joke, see?
Yeah.
It's so corny
Medyo
na, no?
natural naman.
Very natural na.
Kasi di nila alam na nangyari kanina.
Please, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for viewing and waiting for us to come back. It's been 3 months. Of course, ba't ako nawala ng matagal? You know, nagka-ring.
Wow.
So, ang tagal ng preparation. So, ayan. So, again, our guest, Jack Buncho. Please, tell us, how are you today, madam?
I'm fine.
Nainip ka na ba?
Wala naman yung tanong niya kanina.
Inip ka na ba?
Wala naman yung tanong na yan kanina.
Kasi kanina, alam kong okay ka pa.
Okay pa rin naman ako. I'm good.
Okay, so, tinanong ko kanina, what did you come here? What did you use coming here today?
The Truxton.
Oh, yes! It's a Triumph!
It's a
Triumph.
You don't use cars.
I do. Pag maulan or may kasama.
Okay.
Pero bike is better though.
Faster.
Faster.
Convenient.
And you look better.
Tsaka iba yung arrive.
Yeah.
Oh.
Diba pupunta kang event, naka-big bike ka.
Actually, tatanong ko yun sa medyo huli na eh. Mas gwapo ba kung yung lalaki, yung date mo, coming off of a bike or a sports car? A big bike or a sports car?
Eh, what if sabay kami naka-big bike, diba?
Oh,
That's
hindi. He's gonna pick you up at home.
I know, don't wanna be picked up. Sabay tayo mag-ride.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Hindi, pero kung magde-date kayo, sabay pa rin mag-ride.
Oo.
Right. You don't like cars.
That's your ideal date.
Oo. I mean, I like
Mag-ride
cars. Lalo na yung pag mag-date, kunwari, I like, mag-ride na lang.
Okay. Now, I'm sorry you have to repeat this answer. But, how did you get into racing?
Family. Because my dad was a racer. My brother was a racer. Actually, title ni Kuya Micah when he was living was the fastest man on two wheels in the Philippines.
Yeah, and you're the fastest woman.
Yeah,
Woman
so
on two
nung
wheels.
na-carry over yun.
You see, there's an advantage of repeating it.
Oo.
You didn't say that a
Sabi
while ago.
kanina.
See, kanina kasi medyo hindi pa ganun ka comfortable. Kasi
Yeah.
sinadya ko rin pala.
Okay. Planado pala yun.
Ininis ko lang kayo. For the viewers who don't know, yung brother niya is the fastest racer before he got
Passed
into
away.
a bad accident and passed away.
So-
and now she is taking over
Hala.
and building her own
Building my own empire. Ganun.
empire. Yes, that's how you do it. Naiinis ka ba kung kino-compare kayo?
Hindi mo kasi may iwasan eh.
Oo nga, pero naiinis ka ba?
Oo, kasi para sa shadow pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Even though I'm doing my best
Mhm.
para malayo sa shadow niya. Kahit kay daddy, masyado na, sometimes papakilala ako, anak ni ganon, kapatid ni ganyan. I would rather be introduced as si Jack Buncio
Yeah.
Oh,
than to
yeah.
be connected
Correct.
sa dad ko or kay Kuya Mike ko. I mean, I love them, pero syempre, mas maganda yung I made a name.
You want your own
Sarili ko.
recognition.
Yeah, you do have it now.
It's kind of, yeah, pero minsan ganun pa rin. Pero okay lang.
Pero
For the older ones.
Yeah, oo.
pag tumagal
Okay na
ng
yun.
konti,
Bigay mo na sa kanila yun.
Sa mga boomer. Mga boomer na mga kaedad ni
Diretso sa
daddy.
head.
pero pag tumagal yun ng konti,
How much did they inspire you as a kid?
Kaya Michael, a lot. Kasi, the first really reason why I went into racing, kasi ang feeling ko nun, may hindi natapos si Kuya Michael. Na feeling ko, ako kaya ko. The delulu in me thought, kaya ko gawin yung ginagawa niya.
Kaya mo naman ah.
kaya.
Kind of, yeah. Oo, yun.
You should be proud of yourself. Do you remember when you first touched a bike?
When my brother died 2011.
You haven't touched it before that.
I touch, yung ganun touch. Pero yung parang road.
Yeah, road.
2011, kinulot ko na si daddy kasi parang super sad ni daddy nung nawala si Kuya Mike. Kinulot ko siya na, "Uy, gusto ko magmotor. Gusto ko magmotor, gano'n. Kahit trail lang, enduro nun. Tapos 2011, New Year's Eve at Christmas Eve, wala pang makina yung ginagawa ni daddy na bike. Eh may uphill na part ng sa may kalye namin. Tinutulak yung bike, as pababa. Ride ko pag ano. Yun yung, actually, yung pinaka-first memory ko.
Pinaka first time.
Na ako yung nag-ride.
Hindi ka natakot.
Saya ako nun. Happiness ako nun.
Best day of your life. Yeah, usually if you touch your dreams.
Happiness.
Yun ang happiest day of your life.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. You said in your interviews na hindi ka agad pinayagan to ride. How long did it take for you to convince your parents na gusto mo to gawin?
Medyo matagal kasi they had reservations.
Yeah.
Kasi
Yeah.
syempre isipin ng iba na ano ba tong magulang ni Maiko, namatayan na nga, pinayagan pa yung bunso, babae pa, ganyan.
Yeah.
So medyo matagal bago nila na-cross yung road na huwag natin sila pansinin.
Na pinayagan ka.
Let's not listen to them. Yan natin to. Tapos yung pagpayag sa akin, tagal.
How many years?
Hindi naman years, months lang.
Months.
Kasi nung una, nanghiram ako ng suit. Actually, kinuha ko suit ni Kuya Maiko. Sinuot ko, nanghiram ako ng boots, gloves, helmet sa mga friends ni Kuya Maiko. Pinakita ko kay daddy. Wala, kebs lang, walang pake, ganun. So, nag-emo-emo ako.
Yeah.
Pero-
Kwento mo yung emo.
Oh, nag-emo-emo ba?
Sige.
Emo ako, di ko sila pinapansin mga ilang linggo.
Nung
Tapos,
nag-emo ka, sorry. Tinakas mo ba yung motor?
no,
Never.
never.
But you've never thought of it.
No. No.
What did you ask?
No, kung tinatakas niya yung motor.
Tinatakas. Okay. Kala ko tinatapos.
Hindi.
Napaisip ako eh.
Hindi takas.
Okay. Never mo
Never.
tinakas.
Never.
Kasi ano pa ako nun 13.
Oo nga. Marami naman rebelde at the age of 13.
Ako,
Ikaw emo.
imo lang.
Pero
ako-
hindi rebelde.
Hindi rebelde na yung gagawa ng illegal.
Guys,
no.
alam nyo na, gagawin nyo. Kung...
Pag di kayo pinapayagan, mag-emo-emo kayo, huwag nyo pansinin. Kunwari,
Yes.
bad kayo.
Yes.
Tapos doon papayag.
Oo, syempre, kawa naman tong anak ko, malungkot na, gano'n.
Bigyan
Kids,
ko na.
this is not for your channel. Please switch to the next one. Yes. Good advice.
Yes.
It works because kids
It
are
work-
really smart.
Yeah.
Work naman.
Eventually it worked.
I'm here now. Oh,
Usually, the daughter is medyo, the dad has a soft spot for the daughter.
Yeah.
Good job.
diba? Smart, right?
Yeah, you're really smart.
Mindset lang.
Now, we'll get back. Do you remember your first race?
Yeah, 2013 or 14, I think. Na-overlap ako ng 4 times. Sa mga hindi alam mo ng overlap, so ako yung last. Ito yung first place. Ito yung first place, di ba? Nakaikot na siya. Mga 4 times.
4 times.
Yeah, 4 times. Tapos, pagbalik ko ng 10th,
Nakasmile pa rin.
apparently, sabi ni daddy,
Smiling.
nakasmile daw si Jack.
Yes!
Wow, happiness!
Ah, at least, diba?
Gustong gusto yung ginagawa.
Nandun yung saya eh. Diba?
Ano kaya siya naman ng mga champions? Uy, nakasmile pa rin, no? Kahit inikot lang ka ng pa yan.
Ba yan, nakasmile. Tinrapik ako niyang kanina.
Sigurado, And then, after a few years later, na-overtake mo na sila.
Uy,
Oh!
comeback.
Sabihin mo sa kanila, kung nakita mo sila, smile naman kayo.
Smile ka naman dyan.
Oh, dati, couple of years ago.
Dati pangiti-ngiti lang ako.
Oh, ngayon kayo naman ngumiti.
Ngayon, ngiti.
Ah.
Ang yabang.
Once you had your first trophy, which is the 2015 180cc Backbone Overall Champion trophy, how did your parents react?
No, kasi hindi ko na maalala. Kasi yung reaction nila daddy, hindi ko na maalala.
Eh, ikaw?
Saya ko nun. Saya ko nun kasi parang may narating na ako.
Oh.
Yeah.
Finally, may narating ako.
Mhm.
Kasi ilang taon din yun nang wala. 2 years, 1.5.
Mm.
Now, from yung starting hanggang sa first trophy ko, parang ang tagal.
Nung nag-umpisa ka lang, nilalap ka.
Oo, tapos-
Ngayon, panalo na.
Diba? Yan. Pero matagal yun eh. I mean, medyo nang may point na medyo naiirita na ako.
Mm.
Na ang tagal ko mag-champion, tagal ko magka-trophy.
Pero nakangiti sila.
Nung time na yun, hindi na ako nakasmile nun. Nung medyo naiirita na ako, hindi na ako humingiti.
So, nung nag-champion ka, fuck, finally!
Finally! Thank you Lord, parito pa.
Galit na, galit.
Relief.
Parang-
Meron kang picture nung nanalo ka nun?
Wala ta. Pero meron akong picture nung... Ay, meron.
Nakasmile ka, galit ka nun?
Oo,
Ah, ganun
smile
ka.
ako nun.
Okay.
Hindi pwedeng hindi, smile ako nun. Happy ako nun.
Ah, okay.
Pero yung mga nalap mo, nag-smile.
Ano kami nun? 4, 5 kami nun ata. Parang gano'n.
Mind you, Jet, she did this while she was a student.
Yeah. Very impressive.
Galing. So, as a student, syempre, ang hirap ng, ang hirap ng balance nun. What were the perks of being a student athlete at that time?
Perks, wala.
Wala.
Kasi double time ka lagi eh.
Where did you study?
OB Montessori, nung time na yun, nung medyo hectic pa.
Okay.
Kaya medyo okay din kasi nung time na yun, lagi ako absent. Pero dahil tropa natin yung principal.
That's good.
Pinagbibigyan.
Oo naman. At saka ano naman, nare-represent ko yung school.
Yeah.
Like pag nasa mga write-up sa newspaper, nakalagay doon, 17-year-old from Mandaling City from...
Wow.
Pride of OB.
Parang ganun. So, okay lang.
That's good. So, after school, take us to your day. Take us to your week. How do you train while being in school?
Nung time na yon, if you guys would remember Boomland, in front of World Trade, likod ni Wensha.
I honestly don't. Honestly, I do not.
It's okay. So, for our viewers, harap ng World Trade
Yung go-kart.
go-kart track yon.
Yes.
Doon, after classes, susunduin ako ng pick-up na may sakay na scooter. Tapos doon na ako diretso. Doon na rin ako nag-aaral.
Ibababa yung scooter.
Ikot.
ka lang.
So, doon ako nag-aaral. May dala ako books.
Aha.
Wow.
Doon.
Tapos may coach ka, yung dad mo.
Nung time na yon, it was ninong ko sa kumpil na isa sa mga best friend ni Kuya Michael. Si Kuya Michael. Shout out to you, Ninong. Love you.
Can you ride without holding the handlebar?
Ngayon, dati hindi.
Okay.
Ngayon parang
Nung
padala.
estudyante ka? Hindi.
Wala.
Nagbabasa habang nag-aaral.
Have you tried tumayo without holding it?
Yeah, na-try ko na yun. Sa enduro.
Natumba ka?
Enduro.
Hindi, pag mayabang ka, kailangan
Confident.
galingan
is key,
mo.
no? Yeah.
Kasi hindi ka pwede maging mayabang, hindi ka magaling, kawawa sa'yo.
Oo nga eh. Woo! Nainig mo yan?
Yeah.
Okay. Tinatry ko na maging humble.
Ako kasi mayabang ako eh, kaya
Ako
hindi
rin eh.
pwede.
Ako rin eh, pero hindi ako magaling eh. Hassle. What did you think? Did you ever think of dropping out
School?
of school?
No.
Sa sobrang... Because you were succeeding.
No.
That's good.
Wala kang safety net eh.
Mm-hmm.
You need fallback.
Oo, kasi isang maling semplang na would permanently affect your whole career.
Back to school.
What's next? Ano ka? Diba?
Tao.
Tao ka lang.
Tama ka. After every class, you mentioned na 2 times a week or 3 times a
Mga
week ka
ganun, yeah.
nag-aano. Hindi naman na-sacrifice yung childhood mo doon?
Ay, may ganun sacrifice yun.
Weekends, nagka-practice ka rin.
Weekends kasi this is the race.
Oh. No, you don't get to hang out with friends nga. Yeah, nakatakas kasi dates. Nakadate ka.
Nakatakas ako before kasi parang 15, umiinom na ako noon eh.
Wow. With adults?
Oh no, with my friends. Grabe yan. With my friends.
Hindi, kasi ka-racers mo, matatanda na.
Ay,
Kaya that's what I meant.
hindi tayo pwede makainom sa mga circle ng karera kasi pwede sila magsumbong kay daddy. Mindset.
Good. So you're the popular kid in school.
Ay no,
Nah.
dead kid ako eh.
Bakit? Shy type ka?
Shy type ako eh.
Ngayon hindi na.
Hindi na.
Ganun talaga yun. Ganun na ako dati, shy type. Ngayon, sobrang kumapal pa
Kapal
minsan.
yung face,
Kapal.
ma-PR na.
Oo. Yeah, mayabang na nga. As we all know, it's dangerous to ride. Did it ever scare you at this point in your life?
No.
Sobrang tagal mo na kasi.
1 decade.
One day.
Wow.
Oo nga. That's like
Isang bata.
that's like a whole career.
Isang bata na.
Parang ang dami ng pinagdaanan na.
Oo.
Daming races na rin, no?
Daming races,
At
ang
24, ang dami mong pinagdaanan.
Yeah.
Wow.
daming drama, ang daming stress.
Good
Beer
job.
mo 24, tapos 10 years na yung experience. Grabe.
Weird, no?
Mm.
Kaya nakakapagod din minsan when I think about it. Kunwari muni-muni ako sa gabi. Isipin ko, shit, 10 taon na pala ako ganito.
Nag-enjoy ka pa?
Pagod na ako.
Pero kita mo, di ba? Hindi mo napansin masyado.
Oo, na 10 years
Yeah,
na.
diba 10
Lately
years?
ko lang napansin na, ano, 10 years na,
Parang
no?
pumikit ka lang, no?
Hindi naman.
Ay.
Hindi naman. Sa daming stress, pumikit ka lang.
The joke lang,
Ano
joke.
ka, Diyos?
The joke lang yun.
Have you ever fell off your bike?
Yeah, I have multiple injuries na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Sa deliri?
Oh yeah, hindi sila straight.
Oh.
Tapos pag
What happened?
sumemp lang ako eh, tapos
Pero full
Walang
gear,
gloves,
diba?
Meron.
Full gear.
Full gear.
Even padding,
Full suit. Full everything.
Do you think the gear saved your life?
of course.
Oo naman. Kasi kung wala akong gear, tapos yung semplang ko ng mga semplang ko, siguro paralyzed na ako, for sure.
Gulay.
For sure, gulay na ako. Sa lahat
Buti na
ng
lang gusto mo
semplang.
pa rin. Kahit after all those 9 injuries.
Yan yung thrill eh.
That's true.
Pag
You're not
umalis,
getting hurt. Gusto mo sinasaktan ka. Bike.
masokista pala. Ano eh, kasi kung hindi ka na, wala nang thrill yung buhay mo, ano pa yung buhay?
Tama.
It's not worth living.
Tama,
Pag di ka
tama.
na nahihirapan, di ka na lumalaban.
Nahirapan na ako sa bike. Nag-give up na ako.
Huwag ganun.
Sakit ng leeg ko talaga. I mean, kung nag-ride ako for 1 hour na, over an hour, I can't turn my neck na. I'm like, shucks, sakit. Tapos, mabilis pa ako maboard. Kung straight line, inaantok ako. Sabi ko, how do you get sleepy riding a bike? Never thought in my dreams na aantokin ako habang nag-ride.
Baka wala ka kausap.
Meron naman, pero...
Pero boring kausap.
baka.
Hindi.
Sino bang kasama?
Mali lang yung kasama mo.
Manila.
Ganun ba yan?
Kasi pag mga kasama ko, para kami naka-podcast eh.
Ah,
Yung mga out of the blue na
sorry ka
topics,
nakita.
biglang magiging topic, ganun.
I see.
Maganda nga i-try yun eh. Podcast ka habang nag-ride.
Gusto ko dapat gawin yun dati.
Gusto mo gawin yun?
May camera ako, tapos i-connect ko si camera
Yeah.
sa intercom. Tapos sabi ko, wag na, baka isipin nila mayabang talaga ako.
Ay.
Baka ma-accidente. Sabi mo, look at me when I'm talking to you.
Tapos, pangit kasi minsan, syempre pag nag-ride ka, lalabas yung totoong ugali mo, bigla ka sisigaw, ano ba yung...
Oo nga.
Eh, ang dami mong i-edit. Ano ba itong...
Delete mo na lang.
Tapos may kagit-git ka na motor.
Tapos makikita pa sa camera na gumagano ka.
Tapos sisigawan ka ng taxi.
Di ba? Pangit. Pass. Next, please.
Good news.
Oh.
We've passed all the questions we asked her a while ago.
Yeah.
So, so this is brand new and natural.
Natural.
Putik, are you sure ka nagre-record Hindi, kung ulitin to, baka mag-walk out na kaming lahat. Kakain na lang kami. Because this episode is sponsored by Triumph Philippines. Triumph Motorcycles Philippines. Check out the latest bikes located in Green Hills, right here at BGC, and our other dealers at Pampanga, Calamba, and Cebu. Please follow Triumph Motorcycles Philippines. Back to the show.
Okay.
So, we were talking about Triumph.
Yeah.
The sponsor was Triumph.
Mhm.
Would like to ask you, what's your favorite bike sa Triumph?
Honestly,
Yeah.
the Trident.
The Trident.
Why?
Amazing. I didn't expect that.
Nimble.
Uh-huh.
sarap gamitin. Like, mismo sa kalye,
Yeah.
the power is there. Hindi siya in your face na matulin ako. Pero matulin siya.
So it's what you need.
It's what you need. It's what you want.
It's what you want.
Para safe ka din. Kasi, bakit ako mag 1200 sa kalye kung ang speed limit 100?
Tama.
Diba?
Okay lang.
Wala tayo pambayad ng ng overspeeding.
Totoo.
No. Kaya, di ba, 660,
So you save
sakto.
So you save money para pambayad mo ng ticket.
Si mindset, no?
Tama,
That's smart.
Iba yung mindset. No, pero honest na, seryoso, the Trident, kaya personal bike ko Trident.
Okay.
Kasi, sarap gamitin, magaan, parking-wise.
Nakasingit ka.
Singit.
Uh-huh.
Diba?
Have you tried the Street Triple? Yung kapatid niya na mas malaki ng konti.
765?
Yeah. I love that bike.
Hindi pa. Nasakyan ko lang pero hindi ko nagamit.
Yun yung paborito kong Triumph na nagamit ko sa buong lineup nila for some reason. Kasi parang Trident siya. Pero yung handling niya katulad ng
Trident,
lumang-
but bigger.
Yeah, a bit bigger.
Trident, but better.
Oh,
Ganon.
better.
Bigger and better.
One step above, parang ganon.
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi kumpleto na siya eh.
Pag may demo, hiram ako.
Try mo. May cosmic yellow.
Mami O.
Yeah.
Kay Mami O.
Yeah, she got you. Yeah. So, I saw one of her trainings.
Yeah.
Nakita mo na ba yung sinun kong mga videos sa
Which one?
her?
Ah, yeah,
Interviews
yeah,
niya.
yeah.
Yung one of
This
your trainings was, nakita ko, nagki-kickboxing ka.
Yeah, before, nag-muay thai ako dati.
Oh, okay.
Cardio.
So, is that
Cardio.
training for a motorcycle or
Motorcycle.
for yourself?
Kasi ano yun eh, nung time na yun, I was so
Passion.
lean.
Hmm.
Kasi di ako nagbubuhat. Pero, yung muscles ko na gagamit,
Hmm.
tapos puro ko cardio nung time na yun.
Okay.
So, lean ako nun. Ano yung top physique, top athletic physique. Ngayon kasi medyo,
Buti hindi ka nag-compete doon.
I was kinda amateur. Kasi sabi ng coach ko, wag sayang mukha mo.
Wow!
Gay. Gay coach, guwapa ba?
Wow! Actually, you look like you're a good kicker. You look like you kick well.
Yeah, kasi I have big legs.
Yeah. I know a good kick when I see one.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Alam mo, Rika, kinakabahan akong pupunta ka dyan. Make sure talaga, kinakabahan ako. So, okay. Ako kasi nag-taekwondo ako eh.
Okay.
So, frustration ko yun eh. Kulang yung time ko doon. I wish I spent more time in that
Until what belt ka?
black.
Black.
Yeah, after black, I left. Pero, that was the end goal. Black, and then move on. Pero, nagsisisi ako kulang competition.
Hindi did compete
I
that
wish I
much.
competed more. It would have...
Di ba when you kick, hanggang dyan dapat yung paa mo?
Oh yeah, of course. It has to reach above your head.
Tapos may combo pa, di ba? So,
Yes. Ay, hindi ko naabot ngayon. Dati. I stopped parang second year high school. Yeah.
Tapos pag,
Tagal na nun.
Tagal na.
pag kickboxing, what's the
That's
difference?
2014. That's 10 years ago.
Oh?
2014 ba ako high school? Ay, college na pala ako nun.
Kasi kung 2014 high school ka, di ka age ko.
Hindi. Sorry. 2014, college na ako nun.
College.
Sorry.
Oo.
Hala. Way before that pa pala. 09, wala na ako. Ang tagal na pala. Shucks.
So hindi pala tayo nagkakalayo ng age.
I'm 24.
Oh, okay.
Hindi tayo magkalayo.
Guess my age.
28.
Huh?
What? Heard him?
For me? Why? Bakit 28?
Oral lang.
How about me?
Mga 30.
Okay, 30 ka na rin sa paningin ko. Gagante ako. Hindi, joke lang.
What? Kasi you seem mature kasi.
Thank you. I seem mature? Bihira yan ah. I'll take that as a compliment.
Kasi
Pero
mga-
I'm 2 years younger than you.
Oh?
Yeah, 22. So nung high school ka,
Baby pa siya.
Si
baby
OA. OA naman yun.
nung high school ka, ganito pa ako.
He was shorter.
Yeah, ganyan.
OA sa ganun.
Oh,
Oo, di ba?
Nag-growth spurt siya.
He saw me.
Yeah.
Before.
Hindi na nagsasalita dati.
Hindi.
Parang ganun pa rin naman ngayon.
Totoo,
Medyo ganun
totoo.
ka.
Mas nagsasalita na.
Dati ganyan ako. Ngayon, may konting salita.
Hindi ka na dead kid.
Hindi na.
Hi. May
A
hi.
little dead.
A little dead na lang.
A little dead. Oo.
Alive na. Why is it important sa motorcycle na may physical training rin?
Kasi physically demanding eh.
Mm.
Like, ako nga ngayon, hindi ako athletically physique ngayon eh. Kasi 1 year ako nag-stop eh. Nag-wildcard lang ako nung last leg with Triumph eh.
Bakit?
Ba't nga ba ako nag-stop?
Na-in-love ka, no?
Dili.
Talaga kung nagkakalalaki.
Nagkakalalaki.
Or kung nagkakalove
Hindi.
life, nagsistop.
Ba't
Hinohold
nga ba?
talaga lahat. Hinold yung career.
Oh no, it was an internal thing. Parang, regarding sa race organizing. Parang gano'n. Kaya ako nag-stop. Tapos, yun nga, nag-wildcard ako. Yung wildcard, parang nagkaroon lang ako ng 3-4 weeks to prepare.
Practice.
Ano ba ginawa ko nung nag-hiatus ako, kumain, nag-ride. Lumaki talaga ako. Pero nung toughest, yung peak ko, yung I worked out thrice a day.
Whoa!
Oo.
Flex na.
Wala
Flex
na.
pa
Wala
sa
na.
camera.
Wala
Flex
na.
mo! Flex mo!
Wala na.
Wala na.
Wala na. Hindi, kasi nung time na yun, morning mag-jog ako or walk, and then afternoon mag-swim ako sa school sa Angelicum. And then paggabi, it's either boxing or magbubuhat.
Wow.
Wow. Very committed.
Sobrang baba ng fat percentage ko, mukha akong boy nun. Kasi yung mukha ako sobrang built like this, ganun.
For how long did you do that?
A year.
Damn.
A year.
Pero are you willing to get back to that shape?
Hindi ganun kasagad.
Hindi na.
It's very hard.
Kasi tsaka bata pa ako noon, ang bilis ng metabolism
Bata ka pa, madam.
Hindi, pero nung time na yun, bata ako nun.
Pero
Alam
nung bumalik ka
Kasi
sa
peak ko rin
pagmamotor-
21 eh.
No, peak ko 16.
16.
Okay.
17.
Sobrang peak ko 21. That was the lightest I've been as an athlete.
Ako peak ko mga 8.
Pico.
We thought
Pico.
So ngayon yung peak mo.
Ha?
Joke lang pa.
Ito na yun.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Ngayon pala yung peak mo.
Wala akong peak. Kung gano'n kapayat to.
Yeah. Masaya maging athlete eh. Nakakamiss.
Oo
yun.
naman.
Ako, wala na eh.
Kasi routine eh. Parang living in a routine. Parang wake up.
Alam mong gagawin mo.
Oo.
After that, wala na.
Hindi siya yung tipong ngayon na ang gagawin ko ngayong araw. Okay. Seems interesting yan. Kaya yan ang gagawin ko ngayon.
Pero nung nag-wildcard ka, nung bumalik ka sa pagmomotor, hindi ka naman nahirapan.
No.
Yeah, kasi hindi mo na...
Muscle memory eh.
Muscle memory eh.
I mean, mahirap siguro dahil nga lumaki nga ako compared before.
Pero kayang-kaya pa.
Pero andun pa rin eh. Yung sakay, andun pa
Oo,
rin.
Pero yung...
Yun lang mahirap. Kasi
Oo.
parang ang bigat eh. Bigat ng katawan. Kaya ngayon for next year, nagpe-prep na ako. Doing my bestest.
Excited ka na.
Doing my bestest.
What does it take to be a champion?
Passion.
True.
Kasi kung wala kang passion, hindi mo kayang i-give up yung buhay mo. Hindi mo kayang isugal yung buhay mo. Oras mo, bibigay mo. Meron ka mga hindi mapupuntahang gatherings. Sacrifice ka talaga. Kasi kung hindi mo passion, hindi mo gagawin yun eh.
Put that in the highlight reel. Ganda ng sinabi niya. You got into the map when you won the 2016 anong award yun? Sorry.
Lightweight?
No.
Heavyweight?
Pirelli?
Wait
Lightweight,
lang.
yeah.
Lightweight.
Wait, can I go to the CR?
Oh yeah.
Go.
Cut. Welcome back from our commercial
Welcome
break.
back.
Yes.
Toilet break.
Yeah.
Okay, question number 5. Ito based sa kodigo. Sabi dito, you got into the map when you won the 2016 Pirelli Lightweight Overall Champion.
Mm-hmm.
And then you were the first and youngest daw. You said it was the highlight of your career and you made it into your career. The question is,
Why?
how did it change your life in terms of preparation? And why?
Kaya ako nasabi na yun yung pinaka-highlight ko. Kasi doon ko nakuha yung title ko.
Yeah.
That race is when I got my title na
As the
fastest lady
fastest lady.
in 2 wheels. Kasi nung time na yun, I was using an R3, a Yamaha R3.
R3.
And then kalaban ko were Ninja 400s.
Yeah.
30-something kami sa grid nun sa BRC. Ako yung first. Tapos yung gap ata namin was around 4 to 5 seconds.
On an R3?
Whoa!
Grabe.
Good job.
Tapos R3?
3 to 4 seconds, ganun.
Tapos kalaban mo lahat Ninja
And 4,
400.
yeah.
Since that day, since you were named there, did you get brand deals, more brand deals?
Nung time na yun, signed na ako nun eh.
Oh, okay.
Tapos, dumaan na lang, dumagdag lang yung ibang prospects.
Kaya ka nagkaroon ng first brand deal?
20... Ano ba si top 1? Top 1 was my first sponsor, yung oil.
Oh, okay, okay.
First sponsor ko yun. Like, nagulat pa ako in-sponsoran nila ako na, hala, why me? Ganon!
Shy ka
Hala,
pa.
why me po?
Pero, deep down inside, buti naman.
Buti naman, ang gastos na.
Tagal naman,
Ang
ha?
gastos na, buti
It's
naman.
about time.
Mga ano yun, 15, 16 din. Mga 15.
Mm.
And how old were you?
15.
15.
Okay. How did you get the brand deal? After a tournament or after or
Parang in between the season eh.
Oh, okay.
Parang lumapit kay daddy na, pwede ba si Jack? Ganun, ganyan. Can we talk about it?
I see.
Blah, blah, blah.
Besides yung sponsorship, ano yung mga benefits? Free
Well,
oil.
Actually, kasama sa sponsorship na yun eh, kasi hindi ka naman pwedeng walang products nila. Kasi paano mo sila mag-promote?
Correct.
We don't have the products.
Correct.
Anong products nila?
Depende. Nung time na yun, depende sa oil. I had Top 1. I was a part of Total. I was a part of Motul, Alpine Stars. Yung mga previous ko. Like, for now, I'm with SEC. What I need is my gears. They provide 100%. Kahit pang kalye, pang enduro, pang racetrack, they provide.
What's the biggest challenge you've had as a racer?
Stigma na babae ka. Na babae ka lang.
Pinapanis mo naman yung mga lalaki.
Pero kasi, observer's viewpoint, babae to, ba't nandito to?
Talaga? May ganun
May
pa
ganun
rin?
pa rin eh.
Ang sinasabi mo
Hanggang
sa kanila?
Oo, wala.
Pakitaan mo
Bolos
lang sila
sila.
sa track.
Hindi ko sila pinapansin. Pero, syempre maririnig mo't marinig mo yun eh.
Ngiti mo na lang. Smile.
Ganun.
What's a day like in your life?
Like right now.
Yeah, right now.
Ano kasi, after ko graduate last year, nag-work ako eh. As I resigned 2 months in.
You worked and
Where
then
did
you
you work?
resigned right away?
Corporate.
Saan ka
Wow.
nag-work sa corporate?
Sa Makati Finance.
Ba't ka nag-stop?
Kasi nung time na yun, dumating yung opportunity to race sa wildcard. So, napatungan, may training ako, may work ako. Tapos, syempre, mayroon akong brands pa rin ngayon eh. Kahit nung di ako marera this year, mayroon akong brands na kailangan ko gawa ng content, kailangan ko gumawa ng engagement. So, when I go home, pagod na ako sa work, gagawin ko pa yun, gagawa pa ako ng ganyan, mag-training pa ako, tulog ako, gising ako ng umaga.
So, sacrifice.
No, I was so stressed. I was having hair fall na to a point na
Oh,
mayroon
no.
akong bald spot na maliit sa likod.
Oh, okay.
Kaya I don't tie my hair that much.
Is that the secret Owen said you're gonna tell us?
Walang secret tayo.
Walang secret.
Open book
Okay,
tayo.
open book pala.
Open book tayo dito.
Ah, okay. May sinabi siya kanina eh. Pero secret na lang.
Ano?
Hindi, joke lang.
What is it? I forgot.
What is it? What is it?
Later, after the
Open
show.
book
I just
tayo.
was
Open
okay.
book.
Yes. That's what's good about
Kaya
it.
nag-resign ako. So, now, I'm focusing on my content creation as a KOL. And, ngayon, nag-focus sa training din. Kasi I'll be competing sa FJ Moto
Is that yung
Mountain
enduro?
Cross. Yeah, Mountain Cross.
Anong dadalhin mo?
The Speed 400.
Wow.
Yes.
Tapos lalagay ng knobby tire.
Lahat, pati yung engine guards, everything.
Exciting time.
Saan yung venue ngayon?
Wala pang binibigyan ng coordinates eh.
Kasi naalala ko dati may Batangas.
Oh no, yung nung last year,
Oh.
norte din yun eh. Pero like, per checkpoint, dun mo pala malalaman saan ka pupunta. They give you coordinates.
So it's like a rally, parang gano'n. Hindi.
Hindi eh. Para siyang ano, how do I explain this? Basta hindi siya rally eh.
Pero parang tinatime ka, no?
Ano, walang time dun.
Paunahan
As long as you
talaga.
finish lang. Kasi ano yun eh, walang first to finish, parang ganun
It's
ata.
not a race.
No.
Parang ginagawa nila sa Boss Ironman.
Mga boss Ironman, ginagawang karera eh. Hala, yun pala yung secret, may galit sa ano, mga organizer.
Patay. Any more questions?
What's your furthest ride?
Yeah.
Alone,
Alone? Or even with a group?
alone, nakapunta na ako sa Subic tsaka Lucena.
Is it nadidistress ka ba?
Yeah, I like riding alone. Minsan nga umakit ako ng Marilake 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock gabi. Mag-isa.
Okay.
Gabi?
Mag-isa.
So, kasi tatanong ko next dapat, why do you love riding? Is it to distress or is it because of the thrill?
Kasi it's a venue where I'm me.
Mm.
That's true.
Kasi 'di ba pag in front of people, in front of the camera, in front of mga manager, mga boss, kailangan maayos, kailangan prim and proper, ganun. Pero pag nasa
Ditong podcast, hindi.
halata naman po. Pero pag nasa motor kasi I get to show myself, who I am.
Mm.
Hindi ko kailangan mag-act in a way. Hindi ko kailangan mag-fix myself.
Mm.
Kasi nakamotor naman ako eh.
Tama.
Palagi, di ba?
Yeah.
Do
Palagi.
people recognize you?
Yeah, may mga times, wakit ako
Kahit
marila ko.
naka-helmet ka.
May mga times, wakit ako. May message, Ma'am, nakita ko yung ano mo, yung ganyan-ganyan, nakita kita, napansin ko yung helmet tsaka backpack mo, ganun.
So, hindi ka nag-aayos ka nagmamotor ka?
Like, fix myself?
Yeah.
No.
Hindi, kasi, yung ibang girls, kung tinatanggal yung motor, yung helmet, alam mo yung gaganon.
May ganyan. May effect.
May ga-
Lalabas tapos gaganyan siya.
hindi mo ginagawa yun.
Hindi.
Parang kung nag-date ka, hindi mo gagawin yun.
Pag nagde-date,
Oo. Kung doon na yung date mo, nakaupo. Tapos,
Ganyanin mo.
Gaganyan mo.
Tanggalin.
what's up, bro? Medyo late ka na, nakaupo na ako, ganun.
hindi, ikaw yung late.
Ay, sorry, ganun.
Hindi mo itatanggal yung helmet. Tapos,
Oh no.
Hindi.
Pangit. Tsaka hindi ko
Gagawin.
hindi ko aesthetic 'yun.
okay. Malay mo ba?
Aesthetic ko yung ano, hawak ko na yung helmet ko nakaganon.
Ganyan. Tapos nakatabi sa motor. Nakapose.
kahit late ka na, no?
Yeah.
Kahit late. Di ba late? Basta pogi.
But, iba arrive.
Iba dating mo. Yung importante.
Iba arrive.
Would you rather angkas or be in a car on a date? Nasabi mo na kanina to eh, pero nakape.
Mas gusto kong sabay na lang mag-ride.
May inangkas ka na ba na crush mo?
Hindi ako marunong mag-angkas.
Talaga?
Promise. Swear.
Never ka nag-angkas?
Nag-angkas ako pero, do you guys know Mark Odulio? Si Mark Odulio.
Yes.
Inangkas ko siya sa scooter.
Oh.
Hindi pa ata umiikot ng isang buong ikot yung gulong. Sabi niya sa akin, ako na nga.
Baka makasya mabigat si Mark.
Mark is thin.
I know.
Diba? Sabi ko, what's wrong?
Mabilis ka daw.
Is it me? Is it me? Am I the problem here?
Di baka sabi niya baka i-banking mo daw eh.
Hindi. Ang sabi naman ng iba ng tinry mag-angkas sa akin, hindi daw ako marunong magbalanse ng may angkas.
Oh, may ganun pala. Grabe.
Siguro,
Nagmamotor, hindi mo pa
siguro
kaya.
kasi sanay akong ako lang binabalanse ko.
Tama yan. Tama. Think of yourself.
Mm.
Me first.
Me first.
Yeah. Dating a guy, is it hotter that they get out of I think I know the answer to this. A motorcycle or a car or a sports car? A Ferrari.
Motor.
Motor. Okay. And I have final questions. Do you have any final questions for her?
Wala naman.
Okay, my final question. What is your end goal? And where do you see yourself after racing?
So when I went into racing, my idea was, tapusin ko yung tinapos ni Kuya Maiko, right?
Yeah.
Pero as I matured into the industry, I want to leave a mark na I'm one of the pillars in the female motorcycle racing industry na who left a mark, who made the benchmark na pwedeng i-atimin ng mga rider. I want to inspire more females to go into racing. I want them to see na masaya dito. Try nyo to. It's something you need to do. So, end goal ko ngayon, before I retire someday, is to influence, to make an industry na kung saan hindi hindi na kami yung minority na where we have our own community. The Filipino racers na babae. Hindi lang yung, ito yung mga racers natin. Ito yung mga lady rider. No.
Women empowerment.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. I want them to be included in the equation. Hindi yung, andun lang kami yung naka-parentheses. Hindi. I want us,
Or yung cheerleaders.
parang ganun I want us to be included in the equation.
May grupo ka na for like women na riders?
Now, no. Pero, like, madami kasi ang mga racers ngayon lang mga bata, mga new gen na babae. Kaya sobrang tuwa ko when I see them. There was this time nga, may nagtanong sa akin, Jack, konti na lang makukuha na ni ganyan oras mo. Sabi ko, it's okay. I will willingly give my title.
Wow.
True.
Kasi nakuha ko na siya Ilang taon na nga na sa akin
Oo.
I will willingly give my title. Makuha niya yung oras ko, makuha niya sa bike specifications ng oras ko, I'll give my title.
Dapat
Ikaw yung ambassador eh. You're the first.
Parang time to pass it on.
Pass it.
Pero dapat sinabi mo, konti na nga lang rin, may beat ko ng akin.
Yo, ibang yabang. Ibang yabang talaga.
Actually, ayaw ko pa i-break pero alam kong kaya ko na. At di ba sinagot?
Ano to, yung sa ano pala, to yung sa Lightning McQueen pala ko.
Sabi mo sa kanya, keep dreaming. Yan.
Wag naman. Nasira naman yung ano ng bata.
Hirap yung dreams na, no?
Bata baka mamaya umiyak.
Pero ano ba, do you plan to go to the Olympics or
Or like international.
international?
Next year, kung matuloy yung plan ko to join that specific series na pag nanalo ka doon sa all ladies na yun, pwede ka padala. Pag natuloy, if God provides, bakit hindi? 24 pa lang, though, late night 24 sa racing though. Pero kung bibigyan ng chance, hindi, pag may kumatok, bubuksan.
Age is just a number.
Ay, hindi, girl, hindi.
The age is just a number.
No.
No,
Did you
no.
see Mike Tyson fight?
Yeah.
That's not age is just a number.
Oo.
He couldn't breathe.
He was
His
tired,
legs gave out on
grabe.
round 3. Age is not just a number. You saw his training video, no? He was sprinting, he was boxing. Grabe. Pero,
Yung sinasabi kasi ng dad ko he was like telling me, age is a matter of mind. If you don't mind...
Age is a mindset,
No,
ganon.
age is a matter of mind. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Sinasabi niya sa akin.
Paano pag tumunog na yung mga tuhod-tuhod mo? You won't mind.
Di may age na nga talaga.
it's, yeah.
Yeah. So, a certain extent lang pala.
Mm-mm.
Age is just a number.
Sa ibang aspeto.
Sa iba.
Yep. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me,
Matagalan
guys.
ka ba?
ASMR pala tayo dito.
Hindi pa na nagre-record. Hindi, joke lang.
Hala, hindi nag-record na naman.
Thank you everyone for
Thank you.
watching this episode, everyone. Jack
And Jeff, wait, where do we follow you before we end?
You can guys follow me on my IG. That's JackBunsho05. That's JackBuncio05. And also on Facebook, that's JackBuncho05. Same, JackBuncio. And on TikTok, that's JAKLIN. Jacqueline.
Sumasayaw ko sa TikTok.
Ano?
Sorry.
Information tayo sa TikTok.
Very good. How about you? Do you want anyone to follow you or no?
Yeah, you could follow me
You're private.
here. Here na lang.
To your house.
Yeah,
my
to your
house.
house.
Just
Triumph
look for me here.
Motorcycles.
Oh.
See you guys and thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.